Hello, this is Muji with Muji Truck Sales, and we have a 2020 Freightliner M2. It is an 18-foot box, Cummins engine, 6.7 liter Allison Automatic transmission. Nice clean truck. We just had it detail cleaned. It has low pro tires, so those are 19 and a half. Pretty good tires on the back and in the front. No body damage whatsoever. The box is nice and clean. Aluminum liftgate. It has air suspension, air ride suspension. We'll get the cover for the batteries. As you can see, very clean. It has 308,000 miles. No oil leaks. You can see here under the engine. This would be good for a company that maybe moves tires or things that are heavy, but at the same time they don't want the 26 footer or the 24. This is an 18 foot long. It's a high cube, so it's a 103 by 102, 103 inches high by 102 inches wide. And those are the measurements inside the box. So let's go ahead and turn this on. We will turn on the lift gate. And here it is.